The UMBC Data Science Master's Program prepared me for my career best by having professors. Majority of the professors were actual professionals in the field. I am a predictive analytics fellow at the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA. So super excited to be in government because I can use my technical skills to help people directly, the American people. I'm gonna plug in spatial analytics here because you're looking at medication and pharmaceutical quality, who's being most impacted by what, where. And as you can imagine, medicine, think about the pandemic and your Pfizer, Moderna vaccine shots and Johnson & Johnson, where are they being manufactured? A lot of those vaccines came from outside the country. So there goes your geospatial analytics again. Who's making what, where, and how is it affecting people? Yes, so I'm at the FDA doing data science work there.